Hello, my name is Maya Baltz. I'm an honors student studying microbiology and comparative cultural studies with minors in chemistry and Chinese, Mandarin in this case. I spent the fall 2022 semester taking courses at Hong Kong Baptist University before going to Singapore for the spring 2023 semester. There, I worked at the Earth Observatory of Singapore at Nanyang Technological University. I worked under Dr. Aaron Meltzner and his work concerning using coral microatolls to reconstruct historical sea levels. Coral macroatolls are coral colonies that grow in shallow water. The coral grows in a hemispherical shape, as you can see here, until it hits sea level. The exposed parts die, but the rest of the microatoll continues growing upward and outward. This leaves an oftentimes visible effect on the coral's morphology, as you can see here. This creates a record of the sea level the coral experienced, and the remains of the coral last a long time, thousands of years. Unfortunately, these remains can be eroded or for other reasons are not symmetrical or be somewhat cryptic about their morphology. In the field, we would clean these corals, then take digital elevations models from them using LiDAR. In the office, I would take the digital elevation models and take slices of them, transets that told me the elevation of this one particular line across the coral from the center to the edge. However, due to those factors I mentioned earlier, a transect from one side of the coral could look very different from a transect from the other side. I worked on trying to find a way to accurately represent a coral's overall morphology so different corals could be compared to each other. To do this, I would break up each ring, the area between the die downs, into its own data set. I would then find the total average length of that ring across all transets and adjust them all to match that length. Importantly, I would not change any Y values corresponding to the elevation of the coral at that point. I would do this across all rings, all transets. The final result would be an overall shape of the coral, with shading indicating where transets disagreed with each other. These shapes could then be compared between different corals. The idea is that microatolls of a similar age, as learned from dating techniques, collected from the same site, would have lived through the same events, the same sea level changes. Being able to track those events across multiple microatolls would give a greater degree of certainty about these events and would make it easier to compare sites. Knowing historical sea levels allows for more accurate prediction of future sea levels, which is a major concern in coastal areas and island nations like Singapore. The hope was that this would allow us to learn more about our past, and in doing so, better predict and prepare for our future. Thank you.